This lesson demonstrates how self-observation leads to self-improvement and ultimately a change in attitude. Before we begin, let us find out a little about the author. Neera Kashyap has had a career in environmental and health journalism and communication. She has authored a book of short stories for young adults, Daring to Dream, and contributed to 5 prize-winning anthologies of children's literature. As a writer of short fiction, poetry, essays, and book reviews, her work has appeared in literary journals and poetry anthologies published in the USA, the UK, Singapore, Pakistan, and India. The story opens by introducing us to the main character, Vikrant,